Hello, welcome to my Gambian kitchen, our Gambian kitchen. Eid Mubarak. Hope you're having a great one. Today you're gonna be cooking with me. So we're gonna start with Beniчин, and I have so many surprises for you as we go on. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Any recipe you see here, let me know if you want me to record the video. I'll be happy to do that. And let's get cooking. So for today, I'm not gonna be talking too much in the video. So just enjoy the music and watch me cook. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And how do you like the music? Leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Again, Eid Mubarak.